Welcome. If you want to get the most out of Instagram, like tagging places in your stories or posts, or simply letting the app suggest nearby locations, you'll need to allow Instagram to access your location. Here's a quick and easy guide to help you enable location access for Instagram on your phone, ensuring you're always ready to share where you are with friends and followers. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you control all your app permissions and privacy features. Once you're inside settings, scroll down and look for the option called Apps, or sometimes it's labeled App Management depending on your device. Next, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Scroll through until you find Instagram, then tap on it to open the app's specific settings. Inside the Instagram settings, look for a section called Permissions. Tap on Permissions, and you'll see a list of all the different features Instagram might request access to, like your camera, contacts, and of course, location. Now, tap on Location. Here, you'll see several options for how Instagram can use your location. To let Instagram suggest places and allow location tagging, select Allow Location Access. On most devices, you'll be able to choose between options like Allow Only while using the app, or Always Allow. For most people, Allow Only while using the app is a good balance between convenience and privacy. That's it. You've now enabled location access for Instagram. The next time you post a photo or story, Instagram will be able to suggest locations nearby, making it easier to tag where you are or discover new places. Remember, you can always return to these settings to change your preferences or turn off location access if you want more privacy. Managing your app permissions puts you in control of your data and your Instagram experience. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing your adventures on Instagram.